Welcome to day 6 of 10 days of editing with SMAL Presets. I am Monica, the mom dog, and this beautiful little girl on your screen is my daughter, and she went to kindergarten this morning for the very first time. So things are a little different around my house today. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, if you'll do that really quick, that would be super awesome. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and we are gonna get going with this small business. Day 1 through 5 were numbers 1 through 5 of these presets over here. Today is day 6, so we're gonna go with number 6. Okay, this is another one that I think I've probably never ever used. Definitely is blue-ish. I'm not even really 100% sure, but I'm hoping that with the different tones here that we'll be able to come up with something that I personally like. But this here is not my style. I'm going to adjust the grain because I always do that in the beginning. It's just how I do. I'm going to go ahead and straighten out the image. This line right here is what I'm focusing on. And let's check out these different tone adjustments. See, look, oh my goodness. Nature Love is already going to change it to something I like so much better. Yeah, actually, let's go with that one. Yes, so much better. On the other ones, I auto corrected the white balance. It's still a little warm, and I came down just a tiny bit. We definitely need to open up these shadows a little bit so we can see more of her. It's darker than I would prefer. I'm going to make more adjustments over here. I've been doing soft blacks just because I like the way that looks, although this particular preset is operating a little bit differently. Yeah. I mean, it's fine. Adjust the exposure a little bit more. It still feels dark to me. I'm not going to change the sharpening. You definitely could. I already got rid of the grain because I didn't want it. You could definitely adjust that here. And I am going to click the lens profile option. There you go. And that's probably it. I mean, this is basically just what this particular preset does to this photo. I could probably sit here and mess with this for a good while longer just because it's not my typical preset. But let's not make this any more confusing than it needs to be. This is what number 6 does. It's not my favorite one. If you do love what number 6 does, awesome. That's great. But not particularly my favorite of the bunch. Let's take a look at the edits we've done so far. This was small number 1. Small number 2. 3. 4, 5, and 6. It's a little moody. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, if you'll go ahead and give it a thumbs up really quick, that would be great. Subscribe to my channel. Make this mom who just sent her first child to kindergarten this morning have a little bit better day. It really hasn't been bad. She's totally ready. I'm totally ready. She's going to be just fine. If you would like to follow me on Instagram, my username is Monica_Brown_photos, and my website is www.monica-brown.com. Sorry for my awkward today. This day is just, it's just awkward. Have a great day. Thanks for coming by.